Up for auction are these two Coca Cola items from the 1950s. This video will feature the VMC 27 machine here, but I also have this unique store display Coca Cola Santa Claus. You can check out the video for more details on him. He's designed to hold a Coke. He's very unique, one of a kind, almost 6 feet tall. But let's take a look at this machine. It's all original. It does work. Does have the back. Cooling system works. I was pleased to see that after decades of storage. Paint has some issues. You can check out the pictures for more up-close details on this VMC 27. Do a quick look inside. I've already loosened things up here. This piece where you'd have a Coke crate for your empties. It's pretty clean interior wise. There's a dent here. Again, it needs to be, paint needs some attention. A little dent up top here, probably from people punching it for whatever reason. Let's take a look inside here. Does need a lock replacement. Interior is clean. It had some old bottle caps and some dimes from the 70s in it. Coin mech's good. All working. Take a look at the inside of this. It does. I loaded it with some Coke borrowed from Santa over here, and it also holds smaller beverages. This is one of the small 7.5 ounce cans that Coke's now putting out with their products. And this all needs cleaning. Has some mild corrosion, but it does polish off well. But I figure the whole wheel needs to come out for a better restoration. And everything else is all there. Go ahead and do a quick demo. This is mechanical, so it'll work fine. Close it up tightly. Shut the door down. And I'll move this back and give you a demo here of this machine. It's for local pickup only from the Baltimore area. Door shut. Put a dime in. There we go. Alright, that's it. And I'll go ahead and purchase that can as well. There it is. Alright, very good. Thanks for looking at this VMC 27 from late 40s and at my Santa Claus. So look at the video for him. He's a unique guy. Make him yours.